biochemical oxygen demand, that is BOD, may not be a good index for pollution for water bodies receiving effluents from option A, petroleum industry. Now, biochemical oxygen demand measures the amount of oxygen required by microorganisms to decompose organic matter in water. And effluents from the petroleum industry contain non-biodegradable hydrocarbons and other chemicals which do not significantly contribute to BOD. So, making it unsuitable index for pollution from this source. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, sugar industry. Now, sugar industry effluents are rich in organic matter, which increases BOD due to microbial deposition. Hence, it is incorrect. Option C, domestic sewage. It is also incorrect because domestic sewage contains high amounts of biodegradable organic matter, making BOD a reliable indicator of pollution. Option D, dairy industry. Now, dairy industry effluents also contain biodegradable organic substances like proteins, fats, contributing to high BOD levels. Hence, it is also incorrect.